In today's video, you will learn how to connect ActiveCampaign to WordPress using FuseWP. Right now we're in our WordPress dashboard, and to begin we'll need to configure the ActiveCampaign integration. So we'll go to FuseWP's settings, then we'll scroll down on this page to find ActiveCampaign. We'll click on configure, and we'll need to paste the API key details here. So in ActiveCampaign, we're going to go to the right-hand side, the right top, click on settings, and we'll go to developer. Here we're going to copy our API URL and we'll go back and we'll do the same for the actual API key. We'll copy it and go back and paste it in this field. Okay, so we're done with our API configuration. We can now save our changes. Once we're done, we'll need to confirm that the connection was successful. So let's scroll down just a bit, and here we can see that ActiveCampaign is connected. Now we can go ahead and test out our integration to see if it works. So we'll go to user sync and add a new sync rule. We'll use user roles as the source and we'll add a destination. Now we can either target a specific role or select any roles, and then we'll choose ActiveCampaign as the integration. Next, we'll select a contact list from ActiveCampaign, and we have the master contact list. We don't really need to select an account. We can map custom fields. Right now, the form's first name field is being mapped to ActiveCampaign's first name field as text. The same goes for the last name field. We can click on this button to add another field, but we don't need it for this example. Since we're done, we can now go ahead and save our changes. Once our changes are saved, we can just quickly go to user sync to confirm that the sync rule exists. Then we can go ahead and register a user to see if this contact or user syncs with our ActiveCampaign list. So we'll go to the ActiveCampaign tab, and here we are going to go to contacts, and our contact is the first one on the list. Let's perform a second demo where we subscribe a lead to a newsletter. And of course, we'll start by creating a new sync rule. This time, the source is going to be WP Forms, and our source item will be the newsletter signup form. We'll add a new destination, and the event will be after form submission. And we'll use ActiveCampaign as the integration. Moving on, we'll use the master contact list. And again, we don't need to select an account. However, you can if the option is available. So I'm going to quickly map the email address, first and last name. And once I'm done, I'll save my changes. All right, so once that's done, we can go to user sync and just confirm that our sync rule exists. And once that's confirmed, we can test it out by signing up to a newsletter. So here I have some information filled in to a form. I'm going to click on submit. And once it's submitted, we can now go back to ActiveCampaign to see if this contact was synced. Here in the contact list, I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the page. And now we can see that our contact shows up at the top. So this is how you connect ActiveCampaign to WordPress using FuseWP. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching and see you next time.